Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about spinners in Bootstrap 4. Let's just link the Bootstrap 4 into our HTML file, then let's talk about it just a little bit. The Bootstrap 4 offers a spinner, the spinner class. There are two types of spinner, but that's not the thing I want to talk about. The first thing is, I've already made a video about buttons and group buttons. And there are some loading buttons, right, that has a spinners. You may already saw it, but I'm going to dig a little bit deeper, right? With the spinner function, not function, but class. Let's get right into it. First thing is the div with the class spinner border, okay? The spinner border is just a simple loading button with the default color. There are the spinner borders, but now colors. The colors of the spinners are changed by text colors. If you go my color video, you can find that there are a lot of words that corresponds to colors, okay? And the text changes the text color as this. Text light will make like, okay? Text dark will make it gray. Text secondary will make it. Where is it? I cannot find it now, but you can search by yourself. Now the spinner grow. Instead of rotating them itself, just starts small and starts growing itself. Okay? After that, there are colors as well. The same colors that you could put in the rotating one and put in the grow one as well. Now the spinner size, okay? You can put spinner border SM or spinner grow SM with a small one, but you can also remove it and it will be the default size. After that, you can also put it LG and LG. It will be it will not become large. Sorry, there's only the default and a small one. Don't forget. Finally, the buttons that I've already shown you. Okay, the exact same buttons. The button with the exact same buttons, okay? The button with the spinner border small, okay? Without any text. The spinner border is with a loaded text, that you can put text right after the span ends. Now, the one with disabled, but it's just the same thing. And here it's disabled as well, but it doesn't matter. You can add spinner grow small, and then a text after the span closing. It's everything. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't miss anything else, and see you soon.